Welcome to the Hills of Kingswood, one of Frisco's most exclusive neighborhoods. Nestled in the heart of Frisco, the Hills of Kingswood is tucked away amid a wooded greenbelt that borders Lake Lewisville. It is a guarded, gated community offering multi-million-dollar luxury homes. Owners not only enjoy the security of this being a gated community, but they also can enjoy lots of green space and walking trails. Welcome to this home, everyone. This home is really special. It's full of details and finishes that I know you're going to love, starting with this entryway. The home was custom built by Greg Smith of Monaco Homes. It's just over 7,000 square foot and is situated on a large lot that is just under 1 acre. On your left is the study, which features built-ins and a wall of windows. As we make our way into this open concept living space, you'll notice these floor-to-ceiling windows and these tall ceilings. They're actually 22 foot, which allows all this natural light to just soar into this beautiful space. The wood floors throughout the home are 5-inch white oak that have been bleached and stained this neutral blonde color. On the fireplace, you have Venus white tiles going the entire length of the wall. One of the unique features of this home is the front-facing patio. It's perfect for al fresco dining or, just late in the evening having a nice glass of wine at the end of your day. It was designed to face the greenbelt, so you get to enjoy these beautiful views. Now, let's make our way into this gourmet kitchen. This state-of-the-art kitchen features a 36-inch Sub-Zero refrigerator, Wolf gas range, Miele dimension dishwasher, monogram Advantium oven, and both a Sub-Zero under-counter beverage center plus a wine fridge. You also have a butler's pantry with this beautiful water jet mosaic marble backsplash. And look at this pantry. I don't think I've ever seen anything like this. What I first noticed about this kitchen were these dual islands. They really make a statement, and they allow for extra seating. Right off the kitchen, you have a dining room which gives you direct access to your covered patio. This summer kitchen has Belgian blue velvet countertops, a built-in grill, and a stone fireplace. And look at the cathedral ceiling. So now let's make our way to the other side of the house. Just off the family room, you have this unique 12-foot round wine room. As you continue down this hallway, you will enter the master suite wing of this house. This room is surrounded by natural light in these incredible views of your backyard. The focal point is the gas fireplace with Venus pearl white tiles running to the ceiling. Now this is what I call a wow moment. The best part about this master suite is this bathroom. When I first walk into this room, I immediately notice all the marble. As you can see, the homeowners spared no expense in making this a statement room. And for those of you who love a closet, this is a dream closet. Completing the first floor is a guest bedroom with its own ensuite. Take the floating staircase upstairs and you will find the media room and 2 additional bedrooms, each with their own walk-in closet and ensuite. Follow me as we go across the sky bridge into the wellness room. Here you will find Tuflex flooring with sound bat insulation. This is a really great feature for soundproofing since it's upstairs. Just across from the exercise room is this bonus room. It has a half bath and a wet bar. It's currently being used as an office. Let's go take a look outside. Before we go see the pool, I want to show you these garages. A unique feature about this home is how the current owner designed the garage spaces. You have 8 spaces with 12-foot tall ceilings. But if you like to collect cars, you can add lifts like this homeowner has, and now you have room for up to 16 cars. There is an additional bonus area above the detached garage that is about 1,300 square foot. If you thought the interior of this house was amazing, check out this backyard. As you can see, this property is truly unique. I invite you to take a tour in person. If you have any questions, feel free to call me or visit our website at janrichey.com. I'm Donna Eagan, and I look forward to seeing you at our next home tour.